A Canon EOS RP came to me with error 06. The first thing to check is the capacitance of the element itself. If I measure it on the ribbon cable, I get only about 100 picofarads. Let's get to the sensor. To remove it, you need to mark its position. For that, screw each bolt all the way in, counting the turns. It's quite convenient on this camera. The screws have fine machine threads, so being off by half a turn doesn't really matter. Now, we remove the sensor shaker element, and here's where the problem becomes visible. If I measure directly on the piezo element, I get 6 nanofarads, but on the ribbon cable, still only 100 picofarads. So, something is definitely broken. And here's the problem itself. If you pull on the ribbon slightly, you can see it comes off the glass in a bad way. At first, I thought the ribbon was torn, but under the microscope, it's clear. Unfortunately, it's not the ribbon, it's a mechanical crack in the piezo crystal itself, probably from vibration or an impact. Now, I only have this tiny leftover fragment. I'll try to reconnect it to the ribbon using conductive lacquer. It takes a long time to dry, and sadly, it didn't help. Either the layer is too thick or something else, but the capacitance didn't come back. My second attempt will be soldering to directly attach a thin wire to the remaining metal surface and the ribbon. That should work. This coating solders beautifully. A light touch of the iron, and it's all firmly connected. Now the measured capacitance is 6.5 nanofarads. Should be working 100%. The sensor is clean, putting it back in place. I was so sure it would work.
What a twist!
Right after the first power-up, my solder joint apparently just fell off. As a last resort, I simply connected a regular capacitor of the same value instead of the piezo element. And it actually works. On the oscilloscope, you can see 150 kilohertz, 20 volts. That means a 100-volt capacitor is more than enough.